Hi, everybody. I'm here with Miles. Say hi.
Hi.
Miles is getting ready for bed because it's Sunday night over here, and we're getting ready for you to answer your C and D questions of the DBQ. So let's start. Okay, say bye.
Hi.
Bye. Okay, go. All right. So we are looking at document C. If I scroll down here. Document C looks to be an interview with Harriet Tubman. And we have question 1. Let me go down to my answers. Document C. When and in what state was the Comanche River raid? Did I write that wrong? Oh, when and in what state was the Comanche River raid? So we find that it's in 1863 in South Carolina. Okay. What role did Harriet Tubman play in this raid? She led a spy team which collected intelligence behind the lines to help prepare for the raid. Now, you don't have to write all of that, but you could just say she was part of a spy team. I was just being kind of thorough. Number 3, Colonel Montgomery called Harriet Moses. Why? It's from the Bible. Harriet was leading her people out of slavery to the promised land of freedom. Again, you don't have to write everything I write, just kind of know that it's from the Bible for, freeing people. Number 4, which is the greater achievement? Making 8 trips into slave country to free 38 slaves over a 10-year period, or leading a spy ring and helping free 800 slaves in a single night? So that's your opinion, okay? Insert here, I'll say. So you decide which one you think is a greater achievement. They both are pretty worthy of, her being such an important person. So you decide and write down what you think there. Document D, then we're looking at, because we're getting close to the end. Ooh, going the wrong way. Document D we have, so it looks like Harriet Tubman's quote and a biographer's quote. When and where did Harriet do the Civil War nursing? Document D, when and where did Harriet, so July 1863 in South Carolina. Okay. Who were the soldiers that Harriet nursed? The wounded, I didn't spell that right. Gosh. The wounded soldiers of the all black Massachusetts 54th Regiment. Spelling. Actually, I think it's more typing, but we'll see. Number 3, without army pay, how did Harriet earn money to live? Remember it said she baked pies and gingerbread and sold. It's too late for me to spell correctly, apparently. And sold it to soldiers. Okay. Number 4, how well were Harriet Tubman's nursing efforts recognized by the Army? Have evidence. So they were not recognized because it said she had 0 pay. So again, they probably didn't consider her to be very important. They didn't pay her anything. And number 5, Which is the more important achievement? Conducting slaves to freedom on the Underground Railroad, scouting a raid to free slaves behind enemy lines, or nursing wounded battle heroes? So again, we're gonna say your opinion inserted here. Okay, so you're gonna tell me which one you think, and any of them are not wrong. It's just kind of what you believe is probably most important, and you just need to be able to back it up with evidence from the documents. So today you are going to be working on answering document E, which is only 3 questions, and you will be writing your response to the question, which is, what was Harriet Tubman's greatest achievement? Explain your answer. Okay. During this, we are going to, oh, hold on, yes. I will go up. I'll look for the fish thing. Just wait. Okay, my kids lost their fish toy. Working on it. So I'm going to link on the agenda kind of what it looks like to have in-text citation, what it looks like to use a works cited below. So again, if you want a works cited here, that's only if you used any resources outside of the DBQ. So you don't have to cite the DBQ. I understand that because in your paragraph, you will say, according to document B, according to document A, this happened. If you are looking for that 4 level, which is below, I have the rubric, you're going to be looking at strong textual evidence, reflects deep analysis, and going beyond what it just says. So you're going to be researching more on Harriet Tubman from other sources. Okay? Any questions? Just realized you can't ask me any questions because this is one-way conversation. Okay, so my shout out today, I have a couple. Dale Maplewood seems to be one of my biggest fans, so we'll shout out Dale Maplewood. I'm going to shout out Ava Bell Duncan, so thank you, and Rachel Finger. Woo! Comment, and I will try to keep these videos going. See you later.